Do you need a little help? I'm your girl to help you out. I've been doing mortgages for over 18 years, and sometimes we all need a little bit of help, and sometimes we need a cosigner. So, what does that look like? Somebody who is willing and able to help you purchase a home. But there's a couple of things that they need to be aware of. They are financially responsible when they are added as a cosigner into the mortgage. That means if you don't pay the bill, we're going to be calling to look at them. And that's a big ask for somebody. So, could a parent or a friend or a grandparent help you out? Absolutely. Can always add a cosigner. That allows for maybe a better credit profile for us to take a look at and get you approvable, maybe more income to make you qualify for the loan amount that you need. Either of those things can happen when you add a cosigner, but it is a huge financial responsibility for that cosigner. So if that's an option and you want to discuss it, give me a call. Let's take a look. I want to have a conversation with both parties to make sure that everybody understands what this means for the transaction as well as for the purchase as far as real estate being owned and the mortgage loan. Holler at your girl and I will help you.